the handbrake adjustment in Skoda cars from 96 to 2002. We'll start by removing the ashtray, then removing the screw bolts under it. Remove anything in the way. This is the handrest. Release after you secure the car with the gears. Release the handbrake and remove the hub to expose the center bolt that holds the wires of the handbrake. It's not my car, so sorry for the dirty place. So now I will unscrew the center bolt to release the wires because I need to lubricate them before I do this job. It's very important to know that the different models in the Skoda have different models also for the handbrake. So this model comes without the adjustment on the handbrake. The adjustment comes all in the wires here. What you see, you will see it. You may not know it, but this is one of the very common models we have. So after lubrication, reattach the wires. Now we will start tightening the center bolt. It's 9mm, which I have. It may also differ from model to model. I have to remove this hub which supports the rest arm because it was in my working place. So now the car is raised, secured but raised. The back wheels are raised. I'll start tightening, and my friend outside is watching, trying to move the tire until it stops. He will tell me to stop. So we go out, check that the tire is not moving. Now we go back to the car itself and unrelease this bolt around 8 to 10 full turns back until the wheel starts moving freely. So my friend will tell me that it's really moving and not like moving hardly, no, moving freely. We don't overdo it. As you can see here, we don't want to release it that much, otherwise the handbrake will be too high. Now I go to the handbrake and raise it 5 to 8 clicks, depends. You see here, it's not that much, just 3, 5, I think it was 5 clicks, and test the tire itself. If the tire still moves after this, which means you really need new handbrake shoes. At the same time, if the handbrake raised too high, which means we loosened the center bolt too much, so you really need somebody to help you to tell you exactly when the tire stops rotation or starts rotation. Now to test it again, we release the handbrake and see that the tire is moving freely. This way is for all the Volkswagen SEAT, Skoda, with all the models that have the wires to tighten the center bolt like this. If you have the handbrake with the clicking tooth that's inside the handbrake, you can adjust it. You do this exactly the same. You release and then you tighten and then you release, and then you do this while the wires are very relaxed and release. You don't tighten the wires while you tighten the handbrake itself. If you have the handbrake adjustment, you do it and then you do this process after you finish. Now after assembling everything, just make sure that everything is working good, and hope you like it. Subscribe and see you in other videos. For the meantime, bye bye.